Okay guys, and we're back with more EV Evolution Challenge, Fire Red Edition. I said that backwards, okay. Well, I figured out where we had to go. I kinda got lost. It's been a while since I've played Fire Red. But I figured out that we have to go right here and head to Route 9. And then go through the rock tunnel to Route 10 to head to Lavender Town. But first we have to hit Route 11 to see the Snorlax. So let's do this. Let's roll. Oh wait, let me see, do I have enough stuff? 5. I should go shopping first. Let's do that. And in the last episode, if you watched him, we defeat Surge, and we did the SSN, if I'm correctly. Yes. Show me what you got. Nah, we don't need Pokeballs really. Super potions, yes. Yeah, let's buy 13 to make it an even 20. Let's buy some antidotes. Paralyze heal, yep. Awakening. Do we really need ice heal? You never know, so let's take about... let's just buy 10 of them. Yeah, 10 should do. And some repels. Yeah. You know what would be cool? If they implemented the save with your mom again. Save the money with your mom again. Like they used to in, which edition was that again? Like in the newer ones? Yeah, that would be nice. Did we fight you? Yes. We fought you. Did we fight you? No, we did not. Okay, let's fight all these trainers. Who do I have up front? Oh, for a second I thought I had Sandrew. Never mind. Okay, water gun. Nah, let Finn stay out. Okay, let's see. Haha, gotcha. You know, I've been wondering, at what level do you think our whole team will be once we've reached the Elite Four? Ducky said it would probably be around the 50s since I have a full team. Yeah, since I have a full team, he said it'd probably be about 50. Which honestly, I do not completely feel safe with all of them just being level 50 to go through the Elite Four. I would say I'd probably aim for 60 on all of them. Yeah. Well, tell me what you think. Tell me, guys. What level do you think we should try the elite for? Because I honestly do not know at what level we should try. No, I do not. I don't know why I just pressed that. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, the reason why I haven't been posting videos regularly is because I am, after all, in college, and we have tests and quizzes and papers and homework and God knows what else. So if you're in college, you know the deal, but it's crazy. If you think high school is bad right now, then you don't know. Trust me. You'll have a lot more work piled on top of you when you go to college. But in the end effect, it is actually worth it. So I don't have that much longer anyway in college either. I have these 3 more classes and then 1 more semester with 1 class, and I should be done with 3 degrees. Thank God. I don't know how I managed it. Whew. And just in the beginning of the week, when I actually wanted to record something, my dog ran away. And I ran after her for God knows, an hour or 2, till I couldn't run anymore, and I lost sight of her. So I just walked home. I put her food in her food bowl and then put it outside. Hopefully she would come back. And then around 2 a.m., somewhere around that time, is when she actually came home again. And she was hungry. Yeah. So that's also another reason why I couldn't record, because a dumb dog running off. Gotta love them critters. Gotta love them critters. You know, I am really looking forward to the series that I have planned after this one. It'll be with Growlithe, and if you've seen or watch Ducky's Let's Plays of Pokemon and stuff like that, he mentioned several times, and on several of his live streams it was mentioned that Growlithe is actually one of my favorites. The reason why it is my favorite is because of its nature. Like when the first Pokemon came out and Growlithe was in it and all that, it said that Growlithe's nature is very loyal and sticks to its trainer to thick and thin and never abandons the trainer and all that, and I really loved that. And of course it kind of looked cool too, you know. And it had features of a wolf, because if you really think about it, and the reason why I actually chose to put wolf in my YouTube name is because I really liked the characteristics that were given to a wolf, and I somewhat consider myself to be similar. I am very loyal to my friends, and I can guarantee you I'm very loyal to my subscribers, and I try my best to post a video at least once a day. And feeling that they give you when you read that description is just heartwarming, so to say. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, wolf actually stands for family, loyalty, protective, and and that's what I stand for too. Never abandon anyone and anything, and I think that's wonderful. What else could we talk about? Never lost, you will lose now. Okay. Oh yeah, the new series. I'm really looking forward to it, because I really love Growlithe. And I don't know, it's jumped around several times, but I think the edition I'll be doing it with would be Pokemon Black. Because I really tried to get it to work for Pokemon, what's it called? Soul Silver. Actually, more for Heart Gold. I was trying to get it to work to get a Growlithe as a starter Pokemon there, and well, since that ROM is so broken, you can't really do that, and I was kind of disappointed because it would have been so cool to have that little Growlithe follow behind me the whole time. But then again, she let me think of just first starter Pokemon. Doesn't it have some kind of extra stats? If not, I could maybe just pick a random starter Pokemon, don't care which one, and then make it so I could spawn in. Well, there I go, talking about spawning in something. Use a cheat code so Growlithe would spawn, and I could catch that at the beginning, and I would just dump the starter Pokemon in the PC. That would be honestly up to you guys if you think that would be a good idea. If not, if you don't want me to do that, I will stick to probably a Pokemon Black version to get the starter changed to a Growlithe, because that one actually works. Yeah, I wasn't too happy about it not working. Wow, that name. But yeah, that would actually be a good idea to do. If you guys agree with me, please tell me. I would like to know if you guys okay with me doing that, just picking a random starter one and getting the Growlithe right after, and just dumping the starter Pokemon off into the PC to have the Growlithe Let's Play. If not, then, well, we will stick to the black, yes. Also, I am wanting to start a Pixelmon series, and I would love to have your guys' input. Believe me, every input counts.